In this video, we are going to look at how to track your inventory going through Recon using Simple Recon's checklist mode. So in this case, we already have the inventory feed set up. All the inventory is going to pop into not started. That's going to be the starting point. At that point, you're going to go click on steps. The first thing we will do is we'll say, okay, it's going to need inspection. I'm going to hit save and enter details. At that point, I'm going to start the timer. I'm going to hit close. It's going to instantly notify my advisor that's doing the inspection, or the tech that's doing the inspection, that the Hyundai Sonata is awaiting an inspection. When I'm ready, I'll go click the little blue arrow. I'm going to say mark complete, and then I'm going to select the services that we noticed that need to be done as part of the inspection. I'm going to say service, body shop, and upholstery. At that point, I'm going to also start the timers for all three. I'm going to hit save, and what you'll notice is at that point you'll have the three timers: one for service, one for the body shop, and one for upholstery. All three going at the same time for the Sonata. What it does in the background is it's going to notify the body shop. It's going to notify the upholstery vendor that this car is in their queue. It's going to start the timer as you see here, and it's going to keep ticking till it's complete, and it's going to track it independently for all three of these. So one department or vendor getting done will not stop the timer for the other vendors, and that way you can hold them accountable. As they move across, as they are done, they're going to go in, just say mark complete. They don't need to start any new timers. They can just go mark complete and hit save, and that's going to take it off this list. So if at any point you want to see how many cars are at the body shop, you can just click on body shop and see you have one car there. Similarly for upholstery, how many cars do you have waiting? I'm going to do one more where I'm going to select the steps, but I'm not going to start the timer. So I'm going to select inspection. Well, actually, I'm going to do it for the inspection, but not for the other steps. So I'm going to say save and enter details, and I'm going to say start timer. Now what I'm going to do is on the inspection side, I'm going to use the little arrow, the little yellow checkbox. Click that, and I'm going to select all the services that I need without starting them. So I'm going to say it's going to need upholstery, it's going to need detail, it's going to need service and windshield. Probably we'll put a quick PDR as well. And we're going to hit save and enter details. And at that point, I'm just going to simply start the I'm going to start the service, let's say. I'm going to hit save. What it's going to do is it's going to queue the other items. So if I go in to service, it will show me, PDR not started, inspection in progress, upholstery not started, windshield not started, detail not started, service in progress. And now if I was to go into detail, you'll see not started one. I have the option to start it now. So if I have a detail vendor that's coming in, or let's say if I go into windshield and my windshield vendor is here, I can just go start the timer for them right now, but I can see quickly how many cars are waiting for them when they are at my store. Again, the timer starts, it's going to notify, it's going to start tracking, and once they're done, they're going to simply go in and say, I am done, and hit save. Hope this helps. Do let us know if you have any questions. You can email support@simpledealersuite.com.